Tucker, come here. So anyways, he got himself a Yamaha, what is it?
XS400. It's a 80s. I want to call it a dirt bike because that's what it's going to be, but it's not. It's more of a cafe racer style bike. I got it for really, really, really cheap, like $30 cheap from a dude in a neighbor town.
Excuse me, basically, if this don't work out, he's going to take the engine and put it into simplicity.
Maybe.
In other words. And right now we're just trying to get it to run, and I'm in the background trying to get my 420 up and out here because... Don't know. Don't ask. LEDs up front and working rear taillights. So I got lights. Now I'm waiting to do the head gaskets. Actually, the game plan has changed because I want to see if it overheats with these head gaskets, and then if it does, then I'll put some new ones on. Well, that would explain why this thing's not sitting right. It's because it's bent sideways as well. I might just have to get a new hood and hood support. Yeah, but it's cracked up front here. Like, there's a chunk missing right there. I mean, it's all dented up front, so... And that chunk right there ain't a Bondo fix. That's going to be a new hood fix right there. So, yeah. Changed.
That makes life so much fucking easier.
What?
Taking the battery out of its resting spot.
Oh, I'm sure it does. The only thing left to do is change the oil, and I can send it on its way to go mow, because apparently I'm going to have a job of mowing a family member's yard here this summer, so I'll have to get her.
Haul that thing all the way over there just to mow their yard.
Yeah.
What happened to the LT133?
I would use that, but it would probably take me like an hour and a half where I can just haul this thing down there, pop it off the trailer, and mow their yard in 15 minutes and be done. That, and I'd rather run this than that LT.
True.
Because that LT's almost too nice to run. The only thing it needs, I'll have to make a video on that if I'm there, but they have an LT133 down there that I'm eyeing for like a speed mower, and that thing is mechanically mint. I mean, it's been kept up at the dealer ever since its life. Okay. Might as well make a video on actually doing some mechanic and stuff, yeah?
Oh my lord, look out. They're coming through. You might want to move that.
Move what, the toolkit? Well, the ratchet wrench set.
Put that back there.
Oh yeah, it's a little bitty guy.
It's the
I think we...
Actually, I guess the one on the far inside on the left-hand side of the box would be the chode wrench.
And what was it again? A chode wrench? Alright, we'll go with that. I don't know if we're going to get any. No, not over here. No.
I'm sure.
Well,
Okay,
I can't see it.
I'm just going to try all three.
Again. Hopefully don't bounce out.
I'm surprised this one stayed in
I'm
there.
going to flip over to flat because a little light helps quite a bit.
It helps. You don't have to have it, but it should.
With my new camera, the half-size lens sucks. Without light. Nope, none there. And I'm going to guess none over here, too. Yeah, none over here.
This is a safety switch somewhere.
I'll be damned if there is. Why would they need one?
Let's just hook a battery charger up to it. Holy fuck.
Yeah, the battery's probably deader than a doorknob. That seat's all sorts of fucked up, honestly. Hey, you want some fuses? Probably better check those, actually.
Sounds good.
Is it bad this camera's capturing all the dust that's flying by it? Like there's little bitty particles floating right here. It's kind of weird.
Oh my god, would you get the fuck out? Thank you. You're good. This is the best wiring job I think I've ever seen.
Probably cobbled up.
Oh yeah.
Especially that. I mean, that's definitely not factory. If it is, then people in the engineering department need a kick in the ass for that, so. Yeah, let's see. We shattered the front fender. I mean, oh, it's not going to break on me now, but he can rip it off. If you chose to, you could rip it off easy. Yeah, there you go. It's so rotted by the sun that you can break it off easy. And it had a full fender until he pushed on it on the front, getting it out of its rut, and it just went... It basically blew up. I didn't think I would ever see one blow up, but it blew out in all different directions and basically almost shot everyone there. So birds just randomly blow up. What am I gonna do? Some Vine watchers will get that, and even then, I don't watch Vine. I just watched a guy named Robert O'Connor.
He's all over YouTube. You can find him.
Well, I wouldn't say all over, but that's the seat. Is that the air cleaner? Or is like the inlet for the carburetor?
Supposed to be an air cleaner, yes.
Oh, because that's the air cleaner right there.
The hose is just gone.
Oh, I bet you the carb's all sorts of fucked up. I bet.
Might not be a bad thing to do. It might.
Honestly, I just try plugging a fuel line in and working your way from there. Once you get spark, once you get spark, I just put some fuel to it and see what it does. Watch me make this a 40-minute video. This is gonna kill my upload because I upload on my phone. So yeah, that'd take what, all night at least, because it takes like 3-4 hours for a 12-minute video at least. I think that might be the original tire on the rear actually.
Come here.
What's that?
My headlight.
Why does it do that?
Don't know. Acts like it's supposed to. I ain't never seen it. I guess let's hook a battery charger up to it.
There's one right over here. Just pull the battery out and put it on the charger.
Because if we can hook it up, I want to see if I can get like turn signals or anything.
No, I know what you mean. I don't think we got an extension cord laying around here, do we? I don't know if that's going to make it from there.
We got more room.
Move all this junk. Yeah, we'll get to that in here. Okay, so make sure it's off so I don't fry myself when I plug it in. Left, I'm right. That did not help, whatever it was. All right, that's in. Hop over the wires.
I would probably say this is 6 volt, not 12 volt.
Read on the battery, because how the hell am I supposed to know? I don't know. I've never worked on... I'm not a dirt bike worker. I work on old tractors, not dirt bikes.
Okay, well, then take them off.
That ain't turned on, so... Yeah, real smart move.
It doesn't matter if the thing's not on.
Yeah. Never trust a charger. That's what I say.
I'm putting all my trust in that charger.
Fair enough.
God damn, I can't get it out.
Okay, we apparently figured out the front brake works. What'd you say about the rear brake?
It sticks, but it works. We know it works too.
Good enough. Transmission works.
Kind of.
Well, it stays in gear at least.
No? We don't know that for sure.
Yeah, well, good enough that whenever you try to roll it, that it don't move.
No, that was that.
Oh, the brake was locked.
The brake was on. Oh my god, what'd you get?
You had it out of there literally 5 seconds ago.
It's tight. CB12A, so probably 12. Does it say anything on the bottom of it?
Oh boy. I would think it's 12 volt, and I don't know why they wouldn't make it 12 volt.
I don't know.
I went 12 volt.
12.
12 volt.
12 volt.
Well, now you got me. Now you got me.
Good news is there's nothing in that.
Is there any identification on the headlight if it's 12 or not? Yeah, tank's done. That's done. So that tank's gonna have to come off.
Not really.
Oh, peachy.
Hang on. I'll just see what I can find.
Does it say anything here? Oh, that'd be a good washing for that cover there. He's got a loogie on it. Look at that! Like I said, I doubt that says anything about it.
Ew.
Go. There's a shop rag in the trash can, probably. And there's a bunch of shop rags over there. Oh. I don't know. Don't look like it says anything to me about 12 volt. Yeah, no, it's just saying how to remove it. I'd assume it's...
Battery breather pipe.
What?
Never heard of that before. Interesting.
I'm
I
gonna
just
take
noticed too a
that.
while ago that the taillight's busted out of it.
Hell, it doesn't even have a fender anymore, so, I mean, what'd you expect?
It's gonna be fun when we're mudding it. Or hitting mud patches with it.
You'll probably be the one doing the most of it. I really don't care for
You're
it.
gonna get riding this, I promise
Oh,
you.
I know.
That's the whole reason it's here.
Jesus. Well, hook the battery up and I'll put it on a low charge so we don't... I don't know. We'll find out because I might have another motorcycle battery over there.
Your dad does.
Let's have to ask him if we can use it then.
Just borrow it.
Okay.
I don't know why I hooked the negative up first.
It's not like it matters. It's like you said,
it
it's not
You're
energized.
supposed to hook up positive then negative because it's not grounded.
Well, I'm fully aware of that, but...
Put it on a low charge.
10 amp.
Oh, there's a spark.
I don't know whether that's good or bad because it ain't showing that's taking a charge. It jumps. Here, try and wheel them. Yeah, that's awfully small to work with, ain't it? There you go. Yeah, let's see if that happens, eh? 10, hold.
Oh.
Still not looks like it's taken. Nah, it ain't budging a needle, man. Oh, I got a better idea. Go get the battery tester or a voltmeter out of there. It's dead. Fuck it on. Yeah, you just did. I'm a cameraman today.
Let's see, DC volts.
Put it on 20. If not, go one lower. It's not magnetic. You'll just have to set it down. Here, I'll hold it. Oh, that works. Anything?
Oh, that's nice.
Ooh, cracked. Noise.
Well, it's reading.
It's reading you. It's picking up voltage out of you.
That is dead.
Wow.
Fuck.
Huh. Okay then. That's what we needed. Yowzers. Click it all the way down, see if it even reads a little bitty stuff. Seriously? Or is it hooked up backwards? I mean,
I don't know how much I trust
that's a
this
negative
fucking
positive, so, I mean...
Yeah, I know I have it hooked up right.
Jesus. That's the lowest voltmeter.
I just saw one of them.
What?
Just for giggles.
Oh, the battery over there? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Right, so what's going on here is that there's going to be a filter change. I'm putting that stuff in her. I'll probably do this tomorrow or whenever I got time after school because of the fact that he's going to probably come over here and mess with this every now and then. I'll probably whip out the camera and watch him and help him. And then I got to pull the generator off of the Super tomorrow and send it to a shop in Springfield and have it rebuilt. How many miles does this thing have on it? 53,000? Oh, 5,320. 5,327? That ain't bad.
Well, no. Yeah, probably.
But I'm going to try my best to straighten out the hood because I really hate how the supports are uneven right now. So leave the side panels off and put the front grill in. Now we're playing a game of Chase the Wire. In this case, try to fish down the ignition, see which one's hot wired. I'm gonna guess it's this guy right here because it looks like it's been hot wired, and so does that. Actually, there's a whole bunch of crap in there, and it looks like it's been jerry rigged. So I don't know.
I don't got it at all.
What you got over there? That's awfully big, isn't it?
It's big, but it's no different. It's the same amount of voltage. It's just a bigger battery. It's no different than using a semi battery in a
230 cold cranking amps. That stuff is. What was that out of? Isn't that out of
a
the
lawnmower battery.
Toro?
Probably. So I don't know if it's any good either, but
I don't know either.
we're gonna send it.
Just fucking send it.
You silly, I'm still gonna send it. What kind of fucking dumbass are you? I think I'm not.
I'm a grade A dumbass for that matter. Throttle working?
It sticks, but yeah.
Run away! Oh, that would suck. Especially if you're in gear.
Control is.
So, one mount on the rear and then one what up front here?
Probably.
Maybe not. Maybe there's a mount down here probably.
That's. No, it's too big. Have a little bit of wiggle to it. I don't think.
No, that's supposed to be tight because that's the isolator. That's supposed to be tight. That is seriously weird. I'm sure some of the people that watch this will experience it, but you can see the stuff zooming past on the camera. It's weird. You can see like the dust particles.
That moment.
What do you
When
mean?
one bolt holds your gas tank on.
Yeah, I mean,
Hold that.
or just yank it off.
There we go.
What is that?
It's something.
Well, obviously, that's
tell you what.
that's a great response. That was. Air-filled shocks, not bad, not bad. Or air adjustable.
Oh yeah, that hose is great. Well, there's that out of the way.
Right, so where are these fellas right here? Well, that's nice. I didn't even have a. What was that? What?
Not sure.
Because it's
Oh
not.
no, there's another one there.
I
Bunch of
highly
fucking
doubt it,
screws
but it
in
might be a return line. I don't know.
Yeah, it probably is.
Well, diesels have return lines. These shouldn't.
They all
At least to my knowledge.
Yeah,
I
they-
could be incorrect.
Yeah, they do. Gas vehicles have them too. It's not just diesels.
Then why do none of my gas tractors have them? Or,
They might not have back then.
yeah, good point.
But if you go look on that S10 fuel tank sitting outside,
Well,
it has. If you look on the fuel pump, it has
I mean,
return
I'm not
on it.
saying I don't believe that one bit. I'm probably agreeing with you on that one. I wouldn't be surprised if they had a fuel return.
That's a clever way of doing that, isn't it?
What? Oh, tying the throttles together. Oh, that's nice and rusty. They are.
It's only a little rusty. It's alright.
Oh, that's just peachy.
That won't hurt nobody. Tell you to slice yourself on it. It'll be fine.
2000 cc Yamaha.
Yeah.
Nice.
Big motor.
Yes, it is.
Hey, what do you do with that screwdriver you had earlier?
Still in my pocket, actually.
That's why I asked.
Never left my pocket. Till now.
Never left your pocket until needed? Are you even in it?
Where is you working?
Taking a screw out on the hole for the carburetor.
Oh, yeah, you can see the shit falling off the foam. Okay, that's not a good spot because the seat's right there. It's dumping a whole bunch of foam down there.
Goddamn. Actually, I shouldn't have to pull that out all the way. Next side.
Oh, on the fuel line.
No, the inlet.
Yeah, fuel line inlet.
No. Fuel line inlet's there-ish.
It's right here.
Yeah, I know.
That's what
How I
that
take it
is.
off.
What are you taking off on? Oh, there, a little bit of air hose?
Yeah. pulling carburetors out of it.
Oh, that'll be fun.
Oh boy.
I might just make this the project series, and I'll just let you do the work and film it as you go, because I don't have a damn clue how to work on these.
It's hard to see with hair.
It's called cut it.
Don't wanna.
Well, cut it anyways.
No. Kiss my ass.
I will not.
Exactly.
Fair enough. Of course, it's such low light over here. I can't zoom in or get crappy fucking quality.
I need a crowbar.
Get you a crowbar. Nice.
Yep. Pop, 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 pop. Pat, 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 pat. Pat. Ah! Pat, pat, pat. Ha! Oh, it's a Makuni.
I have no idea that they make carburetors.
Huh?
I don't know what a tuning carburetor is.
I want to break shit. Okay, you might have to put that down for a minute.
Well, I just figured out a little something to this camera. Keep it on the first zoom, and it won't go into the bad quality. Ironically. Oh, don't do this to me.
Hey, back that screw out more.
Which one?
There's a little one on the bottom of the hose. Should be right there.
Oh, I see it.
Little bitty one.
It's damn near out of there.
That's what I'm aiming for.
So. Why is this? Oh, I see. That's stupid.
What the fuck did I do with my... Am I fucking there?
Okay, apparently. Well, I know I said I...
What the fuck?
Go figure. Well, I know I said I was going to be done, but considering the horridness of this carburetor, I think it's safe to show you guys that it's worth another few minutes of video. This thing's junk. Not really another explanation other than it's junk. I mean, there's tar there, there's tar buildup in there, and that's... Ew, nice. I'm fine with digging through oil and shit, but that's nasty. Alright, so that stuff's a mix between gas and something else, and it's not at all good. It has the consistency of tar, and it smells horrid. Huh?
Said I don't know what a carbon is. God damn it, give me those needle noses again.
Well, sorry. Quit taking them all over here and then leaving them, eh?
I keep fucking forgetting them. Leave me alone.
Jesus.
I don't want to hear it. Keep your mouth.
Well, you heard it. Get used to it. Point being, now this thing's absolutely screwed. So, well. Moment of truth on the other one.
Maybe.
There ain't no moment of truth. I think you're screwed on both of these, honestly.
Oh, I did.
Wow, that one had a hard time coming out, though.
I already stripped it once.
Seems
Or jumped it. Oh, it feels much better. Oh, well, still got shit.
No, it's still junk.
Is it fucking washing?
Better quite. Yeah, there's a washer down there. Ooh. There's a bolt and a washer down there. Oh, it came out of the top of there. I can't remember for the life of me what that part is. That does.
Jet.
Yeah, say that should be one of the main jets. That's not the actual jet on the screws, but it's. I think that's what sucks it up into the.
Oh yeah, did you hear that?
Oh yeah. Oh, peachy. There's the washer.
Say a new car was in order. The inside of this one though doesn't look horrible. This one's kind of gross, but this one doesn't look.
I bet you.
Oh, my float moves.
Probably not very freely.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Probably not as much as it should, but
Right.
that, and I don't know how well that pin returns. Not fucking at all.
Well,
I'm just gonna try to find another car on eBay.
time to go on eBay and look for one. Another new piece of information was built in 1977. August 77.
Do believe.
Well, now you know the year. Now you just gotta go look for carbs. Okay, another informational update. Apparently it's a 400cc bike instead of a
No, it is not a
2000cc bike, which... Well, I'm sorry, but once again, I'm not a dirt bike enthusiast. Yeah, basically. Yeah. So it's either a 360 or a 400. We haven't definitively figured that one out yet.